Hello friend, welcome to ashatech.com. In this question, we are going to discuss that particular question of UBTEB April 2022, and it says current I is moving in a straight wire such that its displacement S from a fixed point O after t seconds is given by S is equal to t cubed minus t squared plus 15t plus 2. We are required to determine the velocity of current at any time t, velocity after 6 seconds, displacement of current from O when instantly at rest. Then also we are looking at acceleration after 4 seconds. We have also another part B of this question which says given that x is equal to t squared out of 1 plus t and y is equal to 1 out of 1 plus t squared, find dy dx in terms of t. So let us proceed and look at the solution of this particular question. We are given that the displacement of current which is moving in a wire is given by this particular equation. This is the displacement equation. And we know that velocity is the rate of change, is the rate of change of displacement with time. Now, so if velocity is the rate of change of displacement with time, if we are to use differentiation, it means for us to get velocity, we shall differentiate displacement with respect to time. So v is equal to ds by dt, and if I differentiate this, it means I'm going to have 3 multiplied in front here. I reduce the power by 1, then minus 2 times this power, then to power times t to power 2 minus 1 plus 15 t, which will be 15 times 1 times t to power 1 minus 1, and this one will cease. The differentiation of a constant with respect to a variable, we shall have it 0. So this means we will have 3t squared minus 18t plus 15 as our velocity function, and that will be the SDT is equal to 3t squared minus 18t plus 15. This is the velocity at any time t. At any time t. Now, that is what is required according to this question. And Roman 2 of this question says they want velocity after 6 seconds. So if it is velocity after 6 seconds, I just substitute in this expression I've gotten. So that will be v into 3 into t is 6, then squared minus 18 into 6 into t, which is 6 plus 15. So this will be 108 minus 108 plus 15, and this will give you 15 meters per second. So let us proceed and look at other parts of this equation. Then they want also displacement when instantly at rest. So when instantly at rest, t is equal to 0. So if we substitute in the displacement expression, it means 0 to power 3 minus 9 into 0 to power 2 plus 15 into 0 plus 4. It will give us s, or the displacement, equal to 4 meters. So it means the current, if it is the displacement is defined by that expression, then when it is instantly at rest, when it is equal to 0, it will be 4 meters from the origin or the fixed point O. So it is 4 meters from fixed point. Now what about acceleration? Acceleration is given by the rate of change of velocity with respect to time. So we are now going to look at differentiating the expression for velocity with respect to time. The expression for velocity is 3t squared minus 18t plus 15. So if I differentiate this particular expression, I will be able to get 6t, because this is 3 times 2 then t to power 2 minus 1 minus 18. So this will be 6t minus 18, and this is the acceleration at any time. Now what about when time is equal to 4 seconds? I just substitute in, so that I have acceleration equal to 6 times 4 minus 18, and this is 24 minus 18, which gives you 6 meters. Thank you so much. Now let us look at the part B of this question. Part B says x is equal to t squared divided by 1 plus t, and y is equal to 1 out of 1 plus t squared. So they want dy by the x. So when we look at the x is a function of t and y is the function of t. So we have to first look for the x dt, how x is varying with t. We are going to use a quotient rule. This is a quotient rule, and we are assuming that this is our u and this is our v. So v du dt minus u dv dt divided by v squared will give you the x dt. So if we use that formula of quotient rule, we find that it will be v, which is 1 plus t, into du dt, the t squared by dt will give you 2t minus again u, which is t squared, into d of 1 plus t by dt will give you 1. Now divided by v squared, which will be 1 plus t, everything squared. If I simplify the whole expression, I will have something of this type. Now let us proceed and look at y. What is the y dt? So we realize this is an inverse of a function, an inverse of 1 plus t squared. So we are going to bring it like this. 1 plus t squared at power negative 1 is the same as this. So if we let w to equal to 1 plus t squared, let us find dy dw. Dy dw would give you negative w at power negative 2. This is the same as multiplying the original power by that variable. Then you write the variable power the original power minus 1. There you are differentiating, and this would bring you to negative w power negative 2. So dy dw will therefore equal to negative 1 divided by 1 plus t squared, everything to power 2. What about if y is equal to w to power negative 1 and our w is 1 plus t squared? So if it is 1 plus t squared, the w dt will give us 2t. Now what about if we want dy dt? It will be dy dw times dw dt. So we are going to use that expression. So we bring it. We know dy dw as negative 1 plus t squared divided to power negative 2. Then multiply by the w dt, which is 2t. So it means dy dt will equal to negative 2t divided by 1 plus t squared. Let us proceed. We need dy dx. So therefore dy dx is equal to dy dt times dt dx. So if I look at the dt dx and I have dx dt, it means I have to take the inverse of the x dt for me to have dt dx. So we have it like that, and therefore we substitute in what is available for us. So what is available for us? We have all those dy dt and dt dx. We can substitute in. It will be minus 2t divided by 1 plus t squared power 2 times the inverse of the x dt, which will be 1 over the x dt, and it will be 1 divided by 2t plus t squared divided by 1 plus t, everything squared. When we simplify it, it is like this, and when you simplify it further, you will have dy dx, which is equal to negative 2 into 1 plus t, everything squared, divided by 1 plus t squared, then you have 2 plus t. As simple as that. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next discussion.